For this DIY, you'll need one of these green lasers, high-power green lasers, and refractive glass, which when you shine a green laser through it, you'll see it refracts into multiple rays. And you'll need epoxy, two types. One is epoxy putty and one is plastic fusion epoxy. And you'll need a 3-volt motor from Radio Shack, and you'll need a bunch of pipes to make your laser projector stand. Okay, now I got the head ready with the 3-volt motor. I've soldered 2 wires onto the each end, so I simply have to connect to a battery or DC adapter. And also I've soldered on the refractive glass. I've actually broke the glass, so I had to epoxy everything, but it works fine. Because I used a very good epoxy. It's very hard and it's good. Now I gotta get the wires through all these parts and make it come out here. So I will do that right now. So all I'm gonna do is take everything apart, starting from the start. All we need is a laser through here. We connect the adapter, and this should spin for our little party light. So we'll be back. So this is my homemade laser projector. It's my version 1, made out of pipes, and basically it's a DC motor hooked up to a refractive lens. And all I'm going to do is put doesn't have to be D size, I can put any size battery. It's at 1.5 volts. Later I might add a microcontroller. But now I'm going to get the motor running, so you hear the sound of the motor running. Now the great thing about this is that it allows you to use the laser, green laser, as a personal laser, and then when you want to use it as a projector, you simply push it in here, and you just align it real well, and there you go. Now, at stop mode, you're going to get this nice star of lights. Let me turn the lights off so you can see a little better. Now you see the star lights, right? Now you just add the motor and you get a nice animation. Now you get 2 black holes basically. So next version we'll have a microcontroller so it can control the speed according to music. Well, hopefully. I've done that before, so it's not bad for 20 minutes of my time and some pipes and a DC motor and a battery, and you can take this anywhere with you. You can put it on the building, and it's just a projection light. So, well, I guess you can kind of go dancing here. One more indecent accident. I guess this green laser is not too bad because it's all refracted off all these lights, you know. So I'm trying to make the party lights, you know. And then later on, I can just simply take it out and just play with it, you know. I mean, I could make a full-fledged, an integrated, you know, party light, but, you know, then I wouldn't be able to take it with me. So that's my homemade green laser projector.
I'll never be your monkey ray.